Hi there. Today I am sharing mental imagery exercises on anxiety. This is so when you are feeling anxious, you can go immediately and get what you need for your body. We will be reading from Healing Visualization, Creating Health Through Imagery, Dr. Gerald Epstein. This one is called Breathing. So sit with your hands on your lap. You're in your position for relaxation. We breathe out slowly, starting with an exhalation. Then breathe normally. Bring your attention immediately to your breathing. Breathing is always altered when we are anxious. Controlled breathing brings control of anxiety. Start to let out long, slow exhalations through your mouth and take in normal, not exaggerated, inhalations through your nose. Continue to do this until you feel quiet. Do not take in big, deep inhalations, as this will increase your anxiety and may make you feel faint. So the practice is open your eyes and breathe out once when you're ready. The next imagery is called Desert Storm. Close your eyes and breathe out 3 times as we just practiced. See yourself entering a desert carrying a backpack. As you walk, you notice darkness looming ahead of you. You know this means that a sandstorm of anxiety is coming towards you. As it approaches, see yourself removing a folded tent from your backpack. Unfold it and set it up, driving the 4 pegs into place, raising the tent, then going in through the flap and closing it behind you. Sit peacefully in your tent as you hear the sand blowing around and over the tent. Know that when you hear the sandstorm pass completely, your anxiety has passed. When you're ready, breathe out once and open your eyes. The next exercise we're going to do is called blue light. Go back to closing your eyes and breathing out 3 times slowly. See yourself entering a beautiful meadow. See yourself taking in the blue golden light, a mixture of bright golden sun and cloudless blue sky, and breathing out the carbon dioxide as gray smoke, which you watch drift away and disappear. Let the blue light circulate through your bloodstream, reaching everywhere in your being, helping you to become calm and quiet. Let the blue light circulate through your fingertips and beyond to encircle your body in a sapphire blue glow. See the inner and the outer blue light linking. Know that your body is a bridge allowing this linking. When you see the blue light link, know that your anxiety has passed. When you're ready, open your eyes.